Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about CATIA translate in Sketcher. For that, go to Insert. Here is the option Operation. Then select Transformation. This is option Translate. You can also select it in Operation Toolbar. Here, select this icon, and here is the option Translate. Third option. For that, I draw a rectangle. So first of all, I select this rectangle. I select Translate. If your duplicate mode is off, then we use Translate like a move option. Select any base point. I select this point, corner point at base point. Now I select this point. Select anywhere where you want to move it. Suppose I move this rectangle from here to here. Select this point. Again I select this rectangle, select translate. I select this point and then I select this point. It will move here to here. You can also select translate like a linear pattern. For that, select translate. Now select here duplicate mode on. If we need 4 rectangles here, then we type here 3 number of instances because it will count itself as one of instance and remaining are 3. I select this point, base point, and I select here this point. See here 4 number of instances, 4 rectangles. Here I select translate. I select these all rectangles. Now I select number of instances 5. We need 6 instances here. I select here keep internal constraints, keep external constraints. I select this base point. You can also type here dimension from here. For that, select tab button. I type here horizontal distance. These are the dimensions for coordinates from here to here. These are the dimensions for selecting the point. Here you want to select this point. Suppose I select this point at here. See here. Again I select this circle. Draw a circle here. Now I draw a circle. I select translate. Select this circle. Select this base point and type here this dimension value of length. Suppose I type here 200. I type here 200, press enter. Now click anywhere where you want to select. I select this point. This distance from here to here, this is 200 mm. Dimension from here to here is 200. See here. Similarly, in case of rectangles, I draw a rectangle here. Select this rectangle, select translate. Number of instances, suppose I select 2 number of instances, we need 3 rectangles and I select this base point. Now I type here dimension, I type here 200, press enter. Now I select any point, horizontal or vertical point, or we can also select this straight line. Select this point. From here to here, this is 200 mm. Select constraint, dimension from here to here. See here, this is 200 mm. This is the translate option in CATIA V5. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.